So what can you tell me from everything that is in this bar model here? Well, I'm sure you're all thinking 7 add 3 is 10. You may be even thinking that 3 add 7 is 10. Or you might be thinking of your inverse operations as well. 10 take away 3 is 7. Or 10 take away 7 is 3. It really highlights our inverse operations. What I mean by that is when I do 7 add 3 equals 10. If I do it backwards, 10 take away 3 equals 7. So let's look at what you could be thinking here. So you've got, there's 4 lots of 6 is 24. Or you could be thinking of inverse, 24 divided by 6 is 4. Or you could be thinking 6 times 4 is 24. Or inverse again, 24 divided by 4 is 6. It's really important to notice this relationship. Sasha buys 5 lollies. She pays with a £2 coin. She receives 85p change. How much does 1 lolly cost? So I'm going to look at this using a bar model. So if I draw my bar, and this is going to represent 5 lollies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm also going to have another bar. I'm going to change colour because it's going to be different. And this bar represents the 85p change. Now I know that altogether both of these bars are going to add up to £2 or 200p. So I know all of these add up to 200p, so all of these plus this is going to give me this 200p. So if I do that backwards, 200p take away 85p is going to give me what's in the bar. So 200 take away 85, 0 take away 5 can't do, 0 take away 8 can't do, 2 has got to go down to, so 200 is going to go down to 100 and change to 10 ones there. I still can't do 0 take away 5, so I'm going to have to borrow 1 from the tens column, so those 10 there is going to go down to 9, 10, and that's going to go to 10. So 10 take away 5 is 5, 9 take away 8 is 1, and then I've got 115. So that means that all of this here is 115p. Now what I want to do is find out what's in each of these boxes. So I need to do 115 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I get my bus stop, how many 5s go into 115? 5s into 1 is 0, I've still got that 1. 5s into 11 is 2, I've still got 1 left. 5s into 15 is 3. So in each one there's going to be 23p. How much does 1 lolly cost? 23p. You could have set it out a little differently. So you could have had your 5 bars for 5 lollies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the next bar could have been next to it. And I know that this bar represents my 85p change. I know that altogether that's going to be 200p. And it's a lot clearer in this bar that all of this adds together to give 200. So I need to do 200 take away 85, which gives me that 115p. And the 115p divided by 5, which was the 23p. It doesn't really matter which way you set it out, as long as you get the right answer.